course, I live at the farm. I'm a turtle. I'm very slow. I'm a pelican. I like fish. I'm a cuttlefish. I live in the ocean. I'm a cheetah. I'm very fast. I'm a hippo. I swim a lot. I'm a crocodile. I have big teeth. I'm a cow. I like giving milk. I'm a giraffe. I eat leaves. Ooh, I'm a big whale. I'm an elephant. I'm very big. I'm a zebra. I run fast. Hey, I'm a lion. I'm the king of the jungle. I'm a duck. I sit on the lake. I'm a blue fish with bubbly eyes. I'm a crab. Hey, I'm Kian from the Lion Guard.
Oh, I don't know who's more impressive, Ono or Hadithi. I do. Go Ono! Yeah!
And I'm Foley.
Come on, Clipspringers, follow me.
Hey, I'm Janja. I come after Kian.
My mind is totally full of brain. We all are.
I'm a frog. I sit on the leaves. I'm a pink fish with bubbly eyes. I'm an octopus. I have a lot of arms. I'm a penguin. I like snow. I'm a camel. People ride on me on the desert. I'm a shark with big teeth.
to subscribe for more awesome videos.